Hi friends, good morning. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve another SQL coding problem. It's on Leetcode 3198, find cities in each state. So this is another quite interesting SQL problem that recently came up on Leetcode. So let's understand this problem and then I'll show you the SQL query, how you can solve this coding problem. So cities table is given to us, right? It has two columns, state and the city, right? So state city combination is there in that cities table basically. Okay. So for example, you can see that the output they are expecting is you should have a state and all the cities listed like this, comma separated. Okay. So California, the cities are Los Angeles, comma San Diego, comma San Francisco. New York cities are Buffalo, comma New York City, comma Rochester, and Texas is Austin, comma Dallas, comma Houston. Okay. So this is how you want to output the combination. So for that state, you want to output in one single line all the cities which are comma separated like this basically. Okay. So that's what we are doing, right? Basically, you are taking a state, California, for example, and all the cities are there in one row and they are comma separated. So that's what they want us to do, right? So the output table is ordered by the state name in ascending order, and the cities are listed in a comma separated string. Okay. So this is pretty straightforward description what they want actually. So this is a very good case where we can use a group by clause and along with a group underscore concat function, right? So I don't know, you know this, this is one of the aggregate function in MySQL. So you can use group underscore concat aggregate function. What this function does, it concatenates strings from group into single string. Okay. it can it it what does what it concatenates strings from a group into single string, and exactly that's what we want here, right? So this is a perfect case where we can use a group underscore concat aggregate function. So you know aggregate functions like sum, average. So this is another aggregate function, guys. Okay. So select state comma group concat city order by city separator comma space cities from cities table, right? Group by one. So group by one means state. You are grouping on the basis of state, and order by one, it means that you are ordering on the basis of state in ascending order. So this is how you can write down this simple SQL query, guys. So here we have used a group concat function. You are concatenating what city, but you are ordering the cities by city name, right? City name, you can see here they are ordered by city name here. So B, Buffalo, B come first, then N, then R, right? So they are ordered. Austin, A come first, then D, and then H. So they are ordered basically. And then you have to specify separator, how you want to separate them. So comma and space, that is how you want to separate them. So this is the way you can use a group concat aggregate function that helps us solve this coding problem. So I hope you understood this SQL query solution, pretty straightforward with the group underscore concat function. If you don't know these aggregate functions, the best thing is you can create your local database tables and then practice different functions such as group concat, sum, average, right? Then you can also practice different kind of joins, left join, right join, inner joins, all these things. You can practice different queries, right, to solve different problems. You can create your own problems. You can check if you can concatenate different data from different tables. So then the more you practice the SQL queries, the better it will you will become basically, because in most of the in-person rounds of interviews also SQL queries is definitely a part of the questions where they will ask you to write down SQL queries on a whiteboarding table. So make sure you know how to write SQL queries. This is a very important thing, guys. So I hope you like this SQL query solution, and if this solution helped you solve this problem, then please give it a like for this video, thumbs up for this video, and subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is really important and valuable for us. It really helps this channel, guys. And if you haven't already watched our other videos, there are lots of problem solved videos here explained using whiteboarding sessions. Lots of MySQL related videos are there, but apart from that, we also have lots of Java J2E related videos. More than 600 solved problems are available for you on this channel. And we have covered all the important coding questions varieties that gets asked in in-person rounds of interviews. The important varieties of playlists we have covered here includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important data structures related playlists we have created, guys, here includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array lists, linked lists. So everything is here, guys. Take advantage of these videos. If you are a Java consultant, we also have created very important videos that discusses frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. We have covered their core Java questions that are typically asked in the telephonic rounds of interviews. It also discusses questions about Java, J2E, Spring, Hibernate, JPA, and auxiliary technologies. So go through these videos. If you have questions, just put your questions below in the comments. And if these videos are helping you, also definitely give a like and thumbs up and write your comments below the videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.